Hello, I'm your friend Sarah. Welcome to this meditation to begin the day firmly in the vortex. Today we are going to relax the body, raise your vibration, and allow the energy of what you desire to flow to you with ease. This is your moment, a moment to release the past, to rest in trust, and to align with the best version of yourself. If you want to learn more about manifestation, I recommend checking the resources I've placed in the description of this video. There you'll find an organized path from introductory materials and basic practices to books and exercises that, with consistency, can take you to an intermediate advanced level in your process. Reaching an advanced level in conscious creation will depend on your consistent practice and your inner growth. That said, let's begin. First, let's relax your entire body. Don't worry about the pace, you'll get used to it. Bring your attention to your head. Feel the skin that covers it, and allow the muscles to relax. Now focus on your forehead. Completely relax that area. Soften it with your breath. Your eyelids are heavy and deeply relaxed, very calm. Notice the air as it enters and leaves through your nostrils. Bring your attention to your upper lip, to your lower lip, to your chin, to your jaw. Feel how it releases, how it drops by its own weight. Bring your attention to your neck, the inside of your throat, the outside of your throat. Relax the muscles that surround it. Feel your shoulders and let them drop. Relax the upper arms, the forearms, the hands, the fingers of your hands. Relax your chest, your abdomen, the lower part of your abdomen. Relax the upper part of your back. Feel it fully released. Relax the middle part of your back, your lower back, your glutes, your pelvic area, your thighs. Release them. Relax the lower part of your legs, your calves, your ankles, your heels, the soles of your feet, the tops of your feet, the toes of your feet. Your feet are relaxed. Your legs are relaxed. Your arms are relaxed. Your whole torso is relaxed. Your neck, head, and face are relaxed. Your entire body is now heavy, warm, calm, without tension, without weight, without effort. Feel the stillness you have created. Feel the calm expanding within you. Each breath is slower, deeper, and with every exhalation, you release what you no longer need. With your body relaxed, your mind is open, and your heart ready to receive. This is your moment of alignment, the instant when everything falls into place for you. Nothing resists, everything flows, because you don't have to force anything, only allow. Inhale gently and exhale with gratitude. Let the air be a reminder of your well-being. Let your breath mark the rhythm of your alignment. Feel how every cell responds to relief, to love, to expansion. Place one hand over your heart. Imagine that in the center of your chest shines a warm golden light, soft yet powerful, full of life. With every inhalation, that light grows. With every exhalation, it expands beyond you. This light is your connection to Source, to the infinite well-being that is always available. Repeat with me, mentally or softly. I am in perfect harmony. I am connected with the energy of my inner being. I am allowing all that is good to flow to me. Now think of the version of yourself that is already living the life you desire. Observe her. She is there, waiting for you. How does she walk? How does she smile? How does she feel when waking up each morning? Let that image be so real that you can feel it. Feel her joy, her freedom, her clarity. That version of you already exists, and now you are inhabiting it. Feel those emotions, gratitude, love, well-being. Say to yourself, all is well in my world. I am open to receive the unexpected. Well-being is my natural state. Take a deep breath and bring that golden light to your whole body. And as you exhale, imagine radiating it to everything around you. You are a magnet for beautiful experiences. You are a magnet for abundance, for love, for clarity. You are a beacon of positive energy. Stay here for a few moments. Breathe, feel, allow. Nothing to seek, nothing to force. What you desire is already ready for you. Before closing, remember this: you are not waiting for something to change. You are the change. You are the manifestation. Walk today as that version you already are. Think like her. Speak like her. The universe will respond. Take a couple of deep breaths to return. Stretch if you need to. Open your eyes gently. Remember to check the description of this video, where I've placed resources organized to help you keep moving forward in your manifestation practice. If this experience helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel. That way we can continue sharing moments like this together. Thank you for being here. This was your friend Sarah, and we'll meet again next time. Until then, may peace be with you.